Look at these channels. These channels make thousands of dollars every month, and you'll be surprised to know that these are all almost entirely automated by AIs. Want to know how? I gotcha. Many people are doubtful about YouTube automation, and for good reasons. But with proper research and the priceless info that I'm about to provide you can achieve this level with very ease. Hey, I know there are plenty of videos out there claiming to have gigantic and unrealistic numbers. But not every one of them is a true statistic. So to make a point, we are gonna first make sure if it really is worth it to invest your time and energy into this. To be completely sure, we are first gonna go to a very conveniently named website called isthischannelmonetized.com. We're just gonna plug in whatever channel we want, and it's gonna show if it's monetized or not. Very convenient. Now that we have our answer, let's calculate how much does this particular channel really make with AI automation. We are going to calculate what's profoundly known as CPM. It's nothing but the amount of money paid by advertisers per 1,000 views. Luckily for our selected channel, the CPM is around $4. And by counting their total views, we can easily deduct that their earnings in the last few months surpass our expectations. Well, now that you, our little cutie, is all settled with the numbers, you must be hungry to know how to make this type of content. Nothing to worry, your boy will guide you step by step. So make sure to watch every second of it before angrily commenting, "Hey, you are teaching wrong." Just be patient. So let's take a little look on what we are working with. I'm gonna walk you through every step of the video, starting from writing the perfect script to editing your videos only by using your AI. So you don't even need a modern PC build or the need to spend thousands of dollars on employees. Secret tip, I'm gonna drop 3 of the best working niches on YouTube for you. So stick around for the whole video, let's hop on to the steps. Step 1. Before we jump on to making a video, we got to choose a topic first. There can be 2 ways to pursue this dilemma. If you have good knowledge of what's trending and you're quite active, then you can choose the topic by yourself. If not, no worries, I'm here. What you gotta do is make sure that your content is both relevant and entertaining to the modern generation. For our car niche, we are gonna go to ChatGPT. You can choose any other modern AI tool if you like, but we are gonna ask it to find us best eco-friendly car engines that are getting developed right now. And it's gonna provide us with a handful of results. For now, we are gonna choose the new Tesla model. As Elon Musk is always on the trending page and Tesla being one of the most beloved cars in the US, our reach will be multiplied. You've just got to focus on these kind of details while choosing your topic. Now that we are done with our topic, we are going to be going into the AI tool that's making all of this come true. InVideo AI is a software build with modern AI to make your video creating experience much easier and simpler. Get ready to be amazed by how easy it is to automate the creation of such high-quality videos. Now, I am going to provide you the secret to make the best prompt in order to get the most out of this tool. If you don't have the brains for it, just copy the prompt given in the description, but for our little upcomer's sake, I'm going to explain the method too. First, we are going to dictate on how long the video is going to be. 8 to 12 minutes is the perfect spot as it makes your video long enough for adding mid-advertisements to run. Voila, more ads, gays, more money. Next, we are going to give detailed instructions on what we need in our video. Since Elon is a well-known figure, we'll incorporate him as much as possible along with other parts of the Tesla industry. We are going to have to base a plot style to make our niche work. Also, we'll make sure to add why the Tesla is better than normal fossil-fueled vehicles. And obviously, we are going to ask the AI to choose a male voice for the voiceover. Not to be sexist, but most of the car enthusiasts are male. We can also choose how we want the accent to be. Since most of the F1 commentators are British, we are gonna choose that. At last, we are gonna tell it which kind of music we like, and we'll generate the video for now with plans to make changes later if necessary. I am sure you're smart enough to understand, but know that I've made sure to add as much spice to the content by using different prompts as I can. Next, you have to choose the target audience, look and feel, and platform for the video. I'll leave that choice up to you, but for reference, here's what I chose. Now we'll let the AI do its magic. In 2 to 3 minutes, our video should be finished. I know that you're gonna say. AI videos tend to have small mistakes. But hey, I'm not gonna leave your hanging midway. Good thing that in video has everything that you need. Let's just take a look at our video for mistakes. Now, for example, let's say I don't like the hook. So I'm gonna instruct the AI to add Elon Musk to add to the hook. Always remember, your hook, or the first 30 seconds of your video, determines what your viewer count is gonna be throughout the video. So pay extra attention to the hooks. This magic box right here is gonna do everything that you need, from changing style or feel to adding memes. It's your tool, so make good use of it. Next, if we wanna edit the footage, what we gotta do is just click the edit right here, and we can change the script and the footage to our liking. To change the footage, we are just gonna write whatever we want as footage, and the AI is gonna give you plenty of options to choose from. Just choose the one you like and click replace. This way, you can have the perfect video of your choice. Here's another bonus tip. You can use InVideo AI on both your computer PC and your phone. So you can just continue where you left off on the go, giving you full access to your videos. InVideo AI is free to start with. But if you're serious about video creation, they have monthly plans to level up your experience a step further. Now, the last part, I should have mentioned this earlier, but anyways, you've got to make an eye-catching thumbnail with proper title and tags. In YouTube, people do judge a book by its cover. But since our page is going to be fully automated by AI, we are going to ask ChatGPT to get ourselves a nice thumbnail. If you don't like the initial picture, you can mess around with the prompt to get the thumbnail of your liking. You can add certain elements such as popular figures, in my case, Elon Musk, or huge numbers to attract more people. So easy. ChatGPT is again going to be helpful to choose the tags for your video. And now that you've got everything ready, you can just sit back, relax, and upload the best quality videos in the span of just a few minutes with just a few clicks. Now, I had promised to give 3 niches to have the most impact in your videos. These 3 are UFC fighting. I don't know why, but these fights get a lot of views regardless of the content topic. So you can incorporate that in your videos. Dangerous stunts or environmental situations. People love to get a thrill out of watching other people doing dangerous stunts or watching certain situations that are too dangerous to do in real life. It gives them the extra shot of adrenaline. Last but not least, cash cow videos. These are pretty straightforward, and people from all genres like this content in order to grow. So there you go. Hope this video helped you. If it did, leave a comment and message me on these socials linking the videos you made. Make sure to subscribe to get latest videos before anyone else. Until then, adios.